This will be a quick video over the interactive check writing just because it can get a little confusing. And so I have clicked on that link and then I'm going to say start here. And this just gives me kind of some overall instructions saying here's what I'm doing. First it's going to give me like a tutorial and then it's going to be like me actually doing it. So like I said, this first part is just a tutorial. I am literally just clicking through, kind of learning about like what are they expecting me to put in there. Note that it has these extra lines here. It's not going to let you go on unless you do that. I personally, when I actually write a check, I don't put anything after whoever I'm paying the check to. So do whatever's comfortable for you, but this to me is not necessary when writing a check. Then I have my amount over here in dollars. Then I write it out in words. Here, once again, they have that dash. Now here it is necessary because we don't want anybody to be able to alter, add, or change kind of that amount, because typically banks look for whatever I have written out in words to verify this is how much you intended to pay someone. Then they're always going to want you to put something down on the for. I recommend that especially like when I write checks to the school. I'm always want to like just be able to look back and be like, well, why did I pay the school $50? You know, was it lunch? Was it something for FFA? So that memo or that for line just kind of helps you keep track of like, why did I write that check? And then finally sign it. So like I said, you're going to have to go through this too. The first part is simply that tutorial. Then here, it's still going to go very much step by step. And so it has, they want you to put out the entire date. And then I'm going to say next. And then just kind of continue on here with their instructions. Once you have the entire check completed, then you can click submit and just go through the process that way.